na me ye poultry ni farm ni bibia na ye wo me shekam 2013-14 na Cedis for so wa ton ho na my freezer nti obobubu ho ni na me wo pigs broilers and layers obobubu ho ni na the baby fe na keda I started the motu na my bibia they end up with this Waakye leaf powder no.
Welcome to today's episode of My Business Story, where real entrepreneurs share the raw, unfiltered journey behind their brands. We explore the moment that shaped their hustle, the challenges they've overcome, and the lessons they are still learning. Whether you are building your own business or just love a good story, you are in the right place. Let's get into it.
My name is Gloria Owusu. My company is Glowus Glo Enterprise, and the brand is G. I'm into sorghum leaves powder. Popularly, we call it Waakye leaves. Meko ekoto. Either from Ashama markets or from Tema markets. Me ankasa me pe Waakye pa, and I have 4 kids. That's normally what I've been doing it for them. And I love kids too. So we started a church, Methodist church, one at Community 11. And we moved from there and we started another one at Community 12. So the young boys and girls in it, normally I bring them to my house, maybe after Sunday service or evening, and then cook Waakye for them. So one day, one lady suggested after doing it, and what was after, damn leaves, you cry. Can't we do something about it? Until one day I'm so maybe with my blender grinding, na me chucha kakra na me grinding, no me grinding one papa until me have to sieve it. So after that na me use to be oh I do your fire. So that's what motivated me to start. So when I need to, why not say a large former will be able to from there no me about about 4 years ago. Now me were 2 girls. Now one is doing business at tech and the other one said she is a teacher. So I discussed with also mommy and until I started the 4 years when I born the room 25 to make a meter 4. Normally I can spread them with the sacks be spread outside, but from my body see we decided that I know make garage and me check garage and maybe see if fine now. They say rubber until me spread you go the ma na ma pick him because he used to say obviously there is a dry in the view. Or they make you channel, turn a hona make you channel in pieces. Since they make you cherry, now me they are called grounded. Until that family here, we they call FDA. The FDA so all approving normal me certificate and everything. They started not 25 into or the call 25 into 100 Cedis. Into me kwa na matter 4. No munyedu. Until sometimes come me for tractor basic come to 11 traffic. Either to walk with it or with fatex and media before. Honestly, first na me no container me me kwa koto containers and this but a tree na me who no containers especially one na me girl be wa you call corner container over parking also into me tna sa na me who there me share microphone one year with the wire a park patch into buying the patch and the stickers. This we know maybe 300 Cedis. And that market or labels na patches in the na ebi money the baby na be 150 or 200. But ebi o mind with the awkwardness not on every month be aso na me. Ebi o ma buy 3 months crown on sign. Ebi o musa me ya ebi buy 1 month to 2 months na as to them me san because of it. Turn the ma 300 400 between your crab between your be 5 and after deducting everything from him. But also I are on intentive. Yeah, problem change is very difficult. Should be a cut of 5 Cedis a habano. Or the pay watching baby alone come baby no watch na kwa grand no why kakra bi. Nti packaging o ma no bone ye de na kakra. Nti so to yi na so the compare there obeto ahaban na or difficult one. Nti oma etu me kasa pa me have problem with the grounding no. Or very dusty. Nti ya nika for one peda wo be. One day because madam o de ba me nye bi ma why was the from too much nti okon neighbors why or complain nti onyam bi and me moved from 1 to 1 and the MBA who ba advice him is better than man cause me nya me machine nti me guda me ba bo me ho to get the machine and do it myself. Me a farmer. 2011, I won the district's best farmers award at Ashama. Na me a poultry ni farm ni bibia. And my husband too was into aquaculture at Kumasi. So he also won the best aquaculture farming Kumasi. Na yewo me share camp 2013-14. Na Cedis first after one of my freeze on to bubu ho ni na me wo pigs, broilers, and layers who were winning na. So no muna na chida maybe if you na chida I started the motuna my baby they end up with this Waakye leaf powder no. Right now I'm 66 years and I'm always at Oma in feel so right now cry me pet another business to be cry ya ka dem obey say if this one market na onko ya na a shift to than to stay idle and I say ya enya hwe always relying on your children and I relying on someone to bring you money.
Ghana is home to over 2 million small and medium enterprises, the heartbeat of our economy. But only a few ever break through beyond their neighborhoods, beyond their streets, beyond their cities. That's why my business story exists, to give these everyday businesses the voice, visibility, and platform they need to succeed. If you believe in supporting local dreams and growing African businesses, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's tell their stories together.
Brand me farming. Na man ko say bia 1 or 2 people bia na wobam. So when that thing out of it, I have to get something that's always good. But the uncertain terminals are always depending on people and grow old too. Also it yet dependent. Even see now that they be ano. E don't say juma pay juma juma bia anya nwura na dusty papa. Same bia me back on the door will be asthma onyaba mekanya ba omba me so no na me peda me because onya dia common and I'm trying to teach people that can be use of leaves no turn it to leaves no oma Waakye no quick onya manana the leaves no bogu nsum ebi o ma overnight use we na leaves na atu egu waste okay wait so but he so no I bibiana ya ne powdered form tina na there edu beans this sudan also your desire or the prefer me pede oyen na dey good nti beans onye ne be halfway na do rice egu bo we na wire enya Waakye ntoma embre pi the ebeyen especially say to ya na why Waakye to ho na me target na because of this nti oma it to be all it kakra kokra oche to you be a use no fe oche la ansana asana to because if kakra bia na why kakra na why desire me pen ntoma tembia na use nti onu ntu count na ma on kontama but say me a lot of people a supermarket and I want to watch a lot more that may you know water business no on your bad. When I want to be my individuals, if you soon kakra will be Waakye be my orders, be my me two we are all restaurants what on kakra what do you want orders planned. But about mostly individuals now what on to be a 80 grams, 120 grams, 150 grams, 300 grams, and then olonka on nansi na uma akro na no opede no ma me no olonka to no kra minya na ho patch afi me no me shego ziplock. Me future plans ni there. Me benya my own machine na me the be grind. Na me person dey inside there adan for no what baba ha mo dey amase. Me future plans that I did there. Me share one baby I was what the ba a shaman ho baby. From market announce the bankasa motu manko share one adan ho on the next capital method in Boka na me dey. See me your plans. Me some small room at the back of there. Then me move garage in many years. Then I open the garage for that. Nyama na since me show you then. Me found probably because MBA for advice in there. Kawa nyam kra me nkatena ho na me ya but nkatena bo wie na enya cold sneeze anti me de kwa bia 2-3 days. Na wa from the wa nyam ti me mefa. But man kasa me nyame machine na oye confine the year me crawl maybe a gratis ni bi ho oye bia ho de wire or the sif na de akata da area on to nya dasi bibria de oboko ya to on na me garage na me nyobi na kede me nyere na na mama market no so you guda yeah flyers na de. Well, 2 girls anka obotumu na wa aboa. But also they have their own moral credit or a teacher. On our career, so counseling psychologist. Into fear and upon all qua. The beer you call back or online program boy. A corner so some business accounting. That mean you cry at your pork. Yeah, pork and a yam business. If you do baby on Angus up and on also to know all the joy that's in that oil. See, man, I may not but say, as time goes on a business, no trainer say, employ. And then I sit back and supervise them to do it. Oh, you good, Palma, what's your health with cholesterol? You good, the kakra, the good, warm water. Be a course, and or help with BP, the Amankasami will be in the Metabi in the morning. Kakanam the lemon, a crabum. Oh, my active in your energy. Where you make crana and the one catastrophe, I'm a chilebina say you may in your home. Now, for right now, not me, yeah, brand, I may a family, I may mushroom. To come at the back here. So after my husband, Kedi, Kumasi, no there, they move to Kumasi, Mijaya. But right now, I can go back to a mushroom, Name account. And so on, all my TBI active. And so on, and say, yeah, office in Pimponans, and they are cracker. Not taking. Or not so boy. I'm a one can say to me discipline no. There, Sikabi or Baba will send Bia or date. Or say, we Juma or Bailey, Cacabia, and that to take Cacabian and that to check them or Baya. A china name, Yesican Daya, the 2 minutes Daya. I'm in Committee 11 near Rama Church. You can call 0244 279711. So my name is Gloria Owusu. My business name is Glowus Glo, and this is my business story as producers of Waakye leaves powder or sorghum leaves powder.
Thanks for watching today's episode of My Business Story. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone chasing their own dream. Subscribe for more real stories from entrepreneurs across Ghana and beyond, because every business has a story and yours could be next. See you in the next one.